Think ready na lahat. I-share lang natin ang ating screen para makapag-start na tayo. So meron ding Luxembourg, si Wind, taga Sambuanga. Ayan. So again, welcome sa ating 3-day Trade with AI Challenge. So AI is your trading tool. You make every decision. Pang-commercial yun. So day 1 tayo ngayon. So welcome sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating traders or sa mga magsimula pa mag-trade. Welcome sa inyong lahat sa ating day 1. So before we start, I just want to set the tone for this session. Kasi this is going to be very different from what you usually see online. Kasi hindi ito yung hype-hypan, hindi ito yung get rich quick, okay? This is definitely not one of those sessions na puro motivation lang, tapos walang direction pagkatapos ng webinar. Okay, hindi ganun. In fact, some of the things I'll say today might challenge the way you've been thinking. And intentional yun. Quick agreement lang before we continue. Deal natin. You don't have to believe everything I say. You don't have to agree with everything. And you don't have to make any decision right away. Ito lang yung pinakahiling ko sa inyo for the next hour. Just stay open, listen, and observe. And at the end, you decide for yourself what I'll share here tonight transformed many Filipinos the first time we did it. So yung first batch, they earned 36K in the first 2 weeks after they started the challenge. No? So yan, 36K USD. USD yan for the first 2 weeks. That happened not because AI yung nagtitrade para sa kanila. Okay? That happened because we created the environment that makes it easier for them to stay consistent, and harder for them to quit. And that's what happens when artificial intelligence or AI and human connection combine. So at the end, naging 91.1%, ayan, rated themselves na nag-grow. Ayan, so 91.1. Grabe, sobrang dami nun na. Meaning, they didn't just learn. They started seeing movement in themselves. Hindi lang sila nanood. May nagbago sa kanila. Mga transformations were very fulfilling for me and for my team inside the 30-minute trader. Kaya naman, we did not hesitate to do another batch. And that's the reason why we are all here right now. You are lucky kasi for the next 3 days, ipapakita namin sa inyo paano magamit ang AI at your advantage. Okay? Alright. Some of you here might think that AI is scary. And that's completely normal. Especially for those na may bad experiences with it. Yung AI trading na nasalihan ko before, nasunog pera ko. AI, yan ba yung bot trading? So, hindi po ito yung bot trading. For the next 3 days, hindi natin ipapatrade sa AI yung hard-earned money natin. So again, warning, side note lang, do not instantly believe anyone that says AI can profitably trade consistently for you. Always do your due diligence. So maraming nasa scam. Okay, so make sure you do your due diligence lagi. So for the next 3 days, I will challenge you not just to learn how to trade with AI. I challenge you to stop saying, hanggang dito na lang ba ako? And finally see what's possible when you have the right skill, support, and direction to move forward. Because deep down, you know this isn't your full potential. You know you're capable of more. Pero hindi mo pa siya ma-convert into results. And yung pinaka-frustrating na part is, ginagawa mo naman lahat ng dapat gawin. Pero bakit ganun? Parang walang nangyayari. And the reason for that is something na hindi normally sinasabi sa inyo. Pero ito, i-reveal ko lahat ng yan tonight for free. So, you'll know the reason why you're stuck and ano ba gagawin para ma-overcome mo yung pagiging stuck mo. So, you can finally move forward with confidence papunta sa direction na gusto mo. Ang tanong, ano ba yung direction na gusto mo, di ba? And honestly, this challenge is not for everyone. Kasi may mga tao na kahit ganito na lang forever, okay na sila. Steady, chill, routinary, walang risk, ayaw mag-level up, and okay lang naman yun. But, this is for a different type of person. Those who won't settle for less because they believe they can do more. Marami sa inyo excited to start this challenge, pero iilan lang ang matitira. Make sure na isa ka sa makakatapos, okay? Ang goal, you walk out of here with something useful. Something you can actually apply right away. Type done deal if this is the challenge that you need right now. Okay? Done deal, let's go. Ayan, ang dami. Let's go. Start na natin. Ayan. So again, okay, G na tayo ulit. The real reason why capable people stay stuck is hindi naman dahil tamad sila. Not because they're lazy. Okay? Ito, very important. Hindi dahil ayaw nila matuto. Hindi dahil wala silang pangarap. Hindi dahil hindi sila hardworking. Actually, sila pa nga yung madalas okay lang na mapagod at mag-work pa ng extra. Kasi alam nila na may nakaasa sa kanila. I'm sure marami mag-agree dyan sa chat. Diba? In fact, most of the people na stuck ngayon, sobrang sipag nila. Okay? Dumaan din kasi ako dyan. Doble kayod, overtime, they try and try, pero wala pa rin. So let me ask you something and just be real with yourself. Kailan yung last time na naisip mo, bakit parang nasa same place pa rin ako a year ago? Okay, isipin natin maigi yan. And I keep moving, pero bakit parang wala namang progress? Okay? Ayan, so may mga nakaka-relate din. Some of you in this room, you're not the type na naghihintay lang. Some of you in this room, you take action. You figure things out. Na-try mo na siguro iba't ibang bagay. Mga online selling, mga crypto, franchise, small business. Iba try na rin mag-trade. At hindi naman dahil wala kang direksyon, kundi dahil sobrang dayo mong direksyon. Feeling mo, parang naglaro ka ng darts na naka-blindfold. Okay? Hirap nun. Madaming beses kang nag-throw, pero hindi ka nakaka-bullseye. Para sa'yo, hindi pwede yung pwede na. Lalo na kung may nakaasa. Kahit pagod ka na, gumagalaw ka pa rin. Kahit hirap ka na, lumalaban ka pa rin. Bills, 'di ba? Responsibilities, yung mga dreams natin, don't stop. Because life doesn't wait. May iba naman dito, hindi naman naghahanap ng sideline. Meron ka ng career, may income ka na, maybe even may savings ka na. Ang concern mo is different. Paano ko gagawing productive yung pera ko? Ano ko i-grow to nang hindi risky? Pero every time you look around, sobrang daming noise. Invest ka dito, sure to, paldo to, guaranteed returns, ayan, doblehin natin yan in 2 weeks. Sobrang dami. Siyempre, dahil matalino ka, hindi ka naniniwala doon. So you did the safest thing you know. You deposited your money sa bank. Yun, savings account lang, or time deposit, or maybe a mutual fund. And you already know, yung growth doon, halos wala. So you're stuck in a different way. You have the resources, pero walang system that you can trust. And then, may mga tao dito na hindi lang stuck. Kung di, ilang beses nang may failed attempts. Yan, sino kaya yun? Maybe, it was a business na hindi nag-workout. Maybe, it was an investment opportunity na in-endorse ng someone you trusted. Maybe, some of you here were already scammed, just like me. You didn't just lose your hard-earned money, nawala din yung confidence mo. Nawala yung trust sa opportunity, nawala yung trust sa tao, and honestly, hindi mo na rin tinatrust yung sarili mo. Baka wala talaga akong swerte sa ganitong bagay. Bakit kaya every time mag-try ako, laging talo, laging sunog? I'm not going to stand here and tell you, maniwala ka lang ulit. Just believe again. Kasi sobrang cheap nun and you don't deserve that. And then for those na hindi na beginner in trading, you already know what a candlestick is. You've studied hundreds of gurus and you've tried a lots of indicators. Pero kapag nasa harapan ka na ng chart, nakakalimutan mo na lahat. And when it comes to actual results, roller coaster. Diba? Taas baba, win today, give it back tomorrow. Sometimes, give back double sa market, panalo na sana, naubos pa. Ang dami ko nang alam pero hindi pa consistent. Ayan. Bakit live account na puro sunog? Bakit pag live na puro sunog sa demo panalo? Bakit pag may real money na parang nag-iiba ako? And slowly you start questioning yourself. Baka hindi talaga ako meant for this. Now, kahit iba-ibang sitwasyon nyo ngayon, kung yan din ang mga tanong na pumasok sa isip mo, then most likely nasa tamang session ka tonight. Congratulations for showing up. Kahit may doubt ka, kahit di ka sure, kahit pagod ka na, you made it here. Most people in your shoes, ito iniisip nila. Baka kulang pa alam ko. Baka kailangan ko pa ng mas malaking puhunan. Para lang to sa matalino. Diba? Yung mga sinasabi natin. So, it's a challenge ko lahat ng every single one of those beliefs. Kasi hindi totoo lahat yun. Hindi ikaw ang problema dito, okay? Pero hindi mo naman talaga maiwasan na sisihin ang sarili mo eh. Gets kita? Kasi ako rin, I blame myself before. I was exactly at that point 8 years ago. Yan. So, sa mga hindi pala nakakilala sa akin, ako pala si Job Zamora. Isa po akong tatay, isa akong trader, at isa akong entrepreneur. So, I have more than 7-8 years of experience in the financial markets. So, I have had days where I made 7 figures in a single session. And kahit nasa labas, ayan, pwede talagang kumita ng 6 figures. And I founded a forex trading community na ang goal ay maghatakan pataas. Ay sa mga kasali dito sa TMT community, chat mo naman, hatakan pataas. Okay? But honestly, sobrang iba yung buhay ko dati. As in talaga. Nag-aral ako sa isang sobrang maganda at mayaman na school. No? So, pinalad ako. Nagkaroon ako ng pambayad sa college na inipon yun ng matagal na. No? Parang nakalimutan ko na yung tawag doon. So, ayan. Naalala ko, araw-araw yung mga kaibigan ko na naka-Starbucks, ganyan. Tapos, sobrang mamahalin ng mga damit nila. 'Di ba? Tapos, isang beses, nakisakay pa ako sa Mercedes ng kaklase ko. Tapos, alam mo yung kahit saan sila kumain, order lang sila ng kahit anong gusto nila. Okay? So, naisip ko, so, hindi pala normal yung buhay ko. 'Di ba? Kasi ako, every time na may break, iiwas ako sa kanila. Kasi pupuntahan ko yung feeling ko na pinakamalinis na masarap na karinderya. Okay, parang ang budget ko lang nun sa pagkain is 40-50 pesos. So, either dalawang rice, isang ulam, or so hopefully may gulay, may ulam, tapos may rice. Parang ganun, no? Tapos, kailangan ko gumising na sobrang aga. Pero, naalala ko noon, sa MRT, abot talaga hanggang labas yung pila. I'm sure yung mga nasa labas, yung mga nag-MRT na experience din to, sa Taft tsaka sa North Avenue Station. Tapos, sobrang sakto lang talaga ng pera. Wala talagang extra. Naalala ko dati, may time talaga nasa magandang school ako, nakita ko. Meron kasi talaga akong favorite doon na pagkain. Tapos, wala talagang pambili. Tapos, gutom na ako. Meron akong nakita na hindi niya halos nagalaw yung pagkain niya. Okay? Tapos, sakto, upo ako dun at kinain ko yung tira ng iba. So, ang nakakatawa, hindi lang isang beses nangyari yan. So, syempre, wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan natin talagang kumain at kailangan nating mabuhay. Diba? And, dahil doon, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi pala pwede na ganito. Diba? Kailangan talagang kumayod. So, ang alam ko lang naman na kayod is yung mga normal lang na kukuha ka ng isang bagay, bibili mo ng mura, bebenta mo ng mas mahal. Okay, ganun lang yung naisip ko. So, pinakuna kong naisip is mga basketball jerseys. Bakit? Kasi mahilig ako sa basketball. Mahilig ako sa jerseys. Diba? So, yan, yung mga sikat pa nun, sila Kobe Bryant, sila Russell Westbrook, sa mga may alam sa NBA, no? So, yun yung mga binibenta ko ng mga jerseys. Alala ko, ang kuha ko nun is $250, tapos ang benta ko nun $500. Okay? Sa mga kaklase ko. Tapos, hindi pa uso tong mga humidifier, yung parang pampabango. Diba? Mahal pa yun dati, parang 1.8 bili ko dyan, tapos ang benta ko 3K. Yan, tapos nagbibenta rin ako ng mga Jollibee GC. Okay, pero hindi naman ako yung nagbebenta sa mga pumipila sa Jollibee. Yung mga klase ko lang. Tapos nagtry din ako ng food cart. Ayan. Hindi ako nagtry ng food cart. Nagbenta ako ng food cart. Ayan. Tapos kung ano pa mga binenta ko, yung mga GC rin ng Petron. Tapos, ayan, itong food cart ito actually, network marketing yan. So, shoutout sa mga nagtry ng network marketing dito. Ayan, so nagtry din ako. Lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, pinagtatag ko. Siyempre, walang bumili. Ayan. So, after graduation, sobrang gutom talaga ako na gusto ko talaga maging successful. Gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng... Gusto kong yumaman. Ayoko na ng ganitong buhay. Talagang I decided na maging mayaman, maging successful. Not just for me, pero sa future family ko, tsaka sa family ko ngayon. So, sabi ko, mag-aaral ako, mag-graduate ako mabilis, at magtatrabaho ako, at magpapayaman ako. Ayun ang sabi ko. Okay. So gusto ko talaga umangat gusto ko talaga yumaman gusto ko ma-attain yung level of freedom na hindi lagi nag-aalala tungkol sa pera. Sino may gusto nun? No? Sarap ng feeling na order ka lang ng kahit ano gusto mo, hindi ka masyadong nag-aalala, sure na may pambayad ka ng bills, diba? Sobrang sarap ng feeling na yun. So like many Filipinos who are ambitious and willing to work hard, I tried almost everything and I'm sure ganun ka rin. Okay, kasi na-attract ko yung mga ganun tao, talagang kaya, gusto talaga i-try lahat para lang na mabuhay and mag-live ng masagana, 'di ba? So, nagtry ako noon maging backup dancer. Siyempre, astig yung backup dancer ka ng mga artista. Mukhang mukhang maganda to, maganda opportunity, mataas sweldo ha. Ang nakakatawa ron, yung show na yan, ASAP, wala na atang ASAP, no? Tapos, ang rehearsal is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tapos, Sunday, kailangan 6 a.m. nandun ka na. Isipin mo sa 4 days na yun, hulaan nyo magkano yung sweldo ko. Okay? Ang sweldo ko noon was 1,300 dun sa 4 na araw. So, sobrang baba. Okay, tapos bawal ka pa mag-order ng extra rice. Yung naalala ko ron. Pero, syempre, thankful naman ako lagi. Wala akong picture kasi nung nag-real estate ako. Ito yung nasa kanan. Nag-try ako. Pagka-graduate ko, maging real estate na agent. Tapos, talagang sagad. Lahat ini-email ko, lahat tinatawagan ko. Lahat ng walking, ginagalingan ko talaga. So, successful naman. Kasi in 6 months, ang nabenta ko na units ay isa. So, malupit. Ang bumili pa nun is yung tito ko. Tapos binigyan ko siya, yung commission ko, binigay ko sa kanya. So, nakakatawa lang. So, ito, nag-try din ako nag-network marketing ulit ako, yung mga supplements, ganun. Hating gabi na nagbebenta pa. And nag-try din ako maging financial advisor. Diba, nagbebenta ng mga insurance, ganyan. So, tinry ko rin. I'm sure marami rin nag-try sa inyo yan. So, name it. Actually, sobrang dami pa. Bukod pa dito, sobrang dami ko talagang tinry at pinasok. Diba, mga racket, benta, ba't ibang business ideas. Again, name it. Pinasok ko talaga lahat yan. Sa umpisa, exciting Siyempre, yung simula ka ulit, diba? Bawat opportunity, feeling mo, eto na yun. Diba, nung pinapresent sa akin yung mga condo, eto na yun, yayaman ako, magbebenta ako ng sobrang daming unit. Diba? Tapos, nung pinapresent sa akin yung MLM, ito na, magkakakotse na ako. Diba? So, baka ito na yung magpapabago ng buhay ko. Every opportunity, ayan yung nasa isip ko. Pero ang totoo, marami akong pinasok na hindi naman talaga built on real skill, no? Or real structure, or real long-term value. Parang yung iba, parang pipilitin mo lang bumili. Yung iba, parang ganun. So, doon ako napagod, doon ako nadapa, doon ako nabaon na lagi lang ba ako magbebenta. Diba? And I know a lot of people can relate to that. Yung pakiramdam na hindi naman tayo tamad And hindi naman tayo kulang sa pangarap. And hindi naman tayo takot sa trabaho kahit matulog ng late, gumising ng umaga, walang problema. Diba? Pero somehow, kahit anong gawin natin, parang wala pa rin mabuild na stable. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, parang ganun pa rin, ulit-ulit lang. Diba? So that's when I had etong big realization. Hard work is not enough if you keep putting your energy into the wrong structure. Ulitin ko kahit anong sipag natin, baliwala. Kapag binigay natin yung sipag natin sa mga maling vehicles or maling structure. Ganun lang. So, yung pinaka-issue was never you. Hindi talaga ikaw. Wala kang problema. Hindi rin issue yung skills mo, yung capability mo, hindi. Yung pinaka-problema lang is yung lack of structure. Lack of structure natin. So, you were trying to change your life without an operating system. So, walang roadmap, walang framework, no system, pure hard work. And yan ang ibibigay ko sa inyo tonight. Isang plug-and-play system na pwede mo agad magamit right away. Itong system na to, proven na to na ginagamit ng almost 20,000 members inside our community. So again, marami dito inside our community. So ayun yung the 30-minute trader, no? In fact, I invited one of my students before. Okay, mamaya makilala niyo siya. Using our system sa TMT, she earned her dream income in a span of just 6 months trading gold. I'm sure yung iba sa inyo kilala siya. So again, hindi to get rich quick, pero real struggles and kung ano ba talaga exactly yung ginawa niya to get it. Also tonight, i-share ko sa inyo yung 3 secrets in running Forex as a business. Ayan. So day 1 pa lang to. Sobrang minake sure ko talaga na sulit agad for you. So if ready ka na, if G ka na, type mo naman 100% sa chat, hindi sa chart Mali yata yung type natin dyan. 100%. Ayan, let's go. So we are 1.4K strong. Welcome and congratulations sa ating lahat. Ayan. So, sobrang exciting. Grabe. Ngayon, let's talk about this. Sinabi ko kanina, yung problema hindi talaga ikaw. Hindi ko yung problema. Hindi ka naman kulang sa hard work. Andito ka nga Diba? Kasi nagdi-dinner ka na lang, diba? Or pahinga ka na lang kasi it's a Friday. Iba na traffic pa, iba nasa daan pa, diba? Actually, sobrang sipag mo. And saludo ako sa'yo. Hindi ka rin kulang sa information. Okay, actually, baka sobra na nga yung info sa panahon ngayon. Lahat na, may AI, may ChatGPT, diba? May Google, lahat na. Yung pinaka-problem is, you're trying to change your life without an operating system. So, ano ba yan? Random effort lang, random learning, random opportunities, random decisions, random execution. And random effort creates random outcomes. That's why nakakapagod. Diba? Minsan okay, minsan hindi. Trabaho ulit, hindi okay. Minsan okay, minsan hindi. Nakakapagod talaga. Hindi nagiging stable, diba? Hindi nagiging predictable. Kasi, effort lang ng effort, pero walang structure na nagko-convert ng effort into progress. Ayun yung pinaka-importante. Okay? Progress. This is true sa business. Totoo yan sa career. I'm sure mag-agree kayo. Totoo yan sa career. And this is also true sa trading. Kaya tonight, before we talk about profit, before we talk about AI or artificial intelligence, we need to talk about the vehicle you use to succeed. Kasi hindi lahat ng vehicle fits the life you want. Okay? Kasi baka hindi para sa iyo to. Okay, malalaman natin dito. Because even the best system in the world won't work if it's running on the wrong vehicle. Quick question, eto. Ano na yung mga na-try nyo na business or sideline before? Okay, try mo na business before. Sige nga, chat mo nga, baka meron dito nag-try na ng sushi. Ang sarap niya, nagutom ako bigla. Coffee shop, internet cafe, food cart, MLM, resto bar, lasagna. Nakagutom Networking, online, siomai, okay, MLM, parisan, 5 peso car wash, wow. Tapsilugan, ayan, online hardware, ayan. So, sobrang dami. Traditional, construction, real estate, insurance, ayan. So, salamat sa mga sagot nyo. Ayan, so, eto, dito yan lahat, no? Online selling, franchise, food cart, dropshipping, networking, crypto, at traditional business. Okay? Ano yung reason bakit gusto mo mag-business? Ayan, i-type mo naman sa chat yung reason. Bakit tingin mo business yung makakatulong sa'yo? Bakit business yung sagot sa kung ano mang struggle mo ngayon? Ayan, kasi extra income, for stability, yan, gusto natin. Abundance, yes. Ikaw ang boss, correct? Yan ang gusto ko. Pera, extra income. Nakapagod na sa 8 to 5, bawal malate. Tapos bawal umuwi ng maaga, okay? Help me to gain money. Yes, time freedom, abundance, grow my savings, makatulong. Ayan, umuwi na ng Pinas. Ayan, so tama lahat ng mga binanggit nyo, no? So, ang problema, most businesses, ito yung kailangan. Number 1, staff. Okay, so nakita ko may mga construction, mga cafe, ayan, kailangan nyo ng mga staff or workers. Number 2, ito pa, inventory. Okay? Coffee shop or anything, kailangan mo na inventory. Kailangan make sure na hindi mapanis yung mga inventory mo at ma-maximize mo. Kailangan mo rin ng sobrang laking capital up front. Kailangan mo ng milyon. Okay? Para makapag-start. Start pa lang yun, ha? And kailangan mo mag-marketing and customers to chase. At maraming oras. Iba may rent pa. Diba? So, don't get me wrong, business is not bad. Diba? Ang dami namang business talaga nagpa-flourish. Ang daming business na maganda. Pero, not every business model fits the freedom you are trying to build. And I'm sure makakarelate yung iba dito nang try na mag-business. Minsan yung business na ginawa mo for freedom becomes another job. Baka nga, mas grabing, mas mahirap pa na job. Okay? You wanted more time, pero mas naubos yung oras mo. You wanted control. You wanted freedom, pero mas dumami yung stress mo. You wanted income, pero ang kapalit, sobrang pressure, sobrang chaos, grabe yung losses. Binayaran mo na lahat at ikaw yung babayaran na hulihan. Diba? Now imagine, eto, a different kind of model. Walang staff, wala kang isipin na tao. Okay, walang sakit sa ulo na tao. Walang selling. Okay, hindi mo kailangan magbenta. Hindi nakasalalay sa ibang tao yung mga benta mo. Hindi mo kailangan na office. Sa bahay ka lang, pwede na. You can run it from your phone or laptop. And the daily time commitment, 30 minutes. 30 minutes lang talaga. Sounds too good to be true? Actually, hindi. If you understand what it actually is, the vehicle I'm talking about is the foreign exchange market. Forex, ayan, madalas narinig nyo na yan. Kapag narinig ng tao ang word na Forex, medyo napapaatras sila. Ay, alam ko na yun, mga signals yan, di ba? And hindi ko kayo masisisi. Because what most Filipinos have seen of Forex is the hype version of it na sundan mo lang to, kopya ka lang dito, di ba? Yung mga nagpo-post ng screenshots na kumita ng 500K, 1M in 1 day, ayan. Diba? Yung mga naka-luxury car, diba? May mga profile picture na grabe, daming sports car, ganun. So again, Forex is not just fast money. Forex is not just hype sa internet. Forex has been here even before internet existed. A vehicle na pwedeng matutunan, pwedeng i-practice, pwedeng lagyan ng process, pwedeng i-operate. Forex can be approached like a real business. Okay? Again, systematize yung Forex business natin like a real business with process, with rules, with risk, with records, with execution. Pero ito yung problema. Kasi yung ibang tao, most ng mga tao, di ba, they don't treat Forex like a business. They treat it like a shortcut. Diba? Parang casino, ganun. They trade without rules. Walang risk plan, walang records, walang review. Diba? And when they lose, they say, malas, nasunog ako dyan. Scam. Diba? Hindi pala para sa akin ang trading. Diba? Pinagtitiripan na ata ako ng market. Pag nag-buy ako, bababa. Pag nag-sell ako, aangat. Diba? Pero, what if hindi Forex ang problem? What if yung approach mo lang yung kailangan ayusin? What if Forex only feels like gambling kasi yung approach ng mga tao is sugal? Approach nila is gambling. And what if it starts changing? The moment you operate it like a business, di ba? If you're open to seeing Forex differently tonight, type mo business sa chat. Ayan. Let's go, let's go. Business, business. Ayan. So, treat natin like a business. Diba? Simula tayo maliit. So, palaki natin. Ganun naman lahat ng business. So, what's the actual Forex market? So, ano lang, konting background lang, lalo na sa mga newbies. I'm sure maraming mga newbies dito. Okay? So, bear with me lang sa mga advanced na. Mamaya, marami pa tayong matutunan and sa mga coming days. So, pinakamalaking financial market sa buong mundo, ang Forex market. Trillions of dollars every single day. Okay, nung nagsimula ako, parang 5 pa lang, 3 pa lang, 4, di ba? Ngayon, 8 na, 9, 10, minsan 11 na sinasabi nila, di ba? And tonight, you're gonna learn how to get a piece of that pie. Regulated, institutional, and it's been operating long before social media even existed. Tapos, ito pa maganda, open siya 24 hours, 5 days a week. So, hindi ka mag-a-adjust sa market, yung market mag-a-adjust sa oras mo. Di ba? So, I need you to separate two things in your mind. Ito, the hype version, which is noise. Tanggalin po natin yan. Yung mga shortcut, hindi pa totoo. Okay? Yung actual skill, that's a yes. And yung legit, yung long-term, sustainable, the actual skill. At yan ang pupuntahan natin. And over the next 3 days, we're going to answer 3 questions every aspiring trader asks. 1, can Forex really become a legitimate business or baka naman gambling lang yan? 2, if Forex really works, why do most traders still fail? Ba? 95% daw eh. Sasagutin natin yan bukas. So, antayin natin. Okay, atin kay bukas. And if finally, number 3, and if I finally decide to take this seriously, can someone like me actually become consistent? So, tuturo namin kung paano sa final day, okay, with real markets. So, by day 3, you'll realize the biggest reason people stay stuck has almost nothing to do with intelligence, hard work, or strategy. Tonight, we're going to make Forex simple enough to understand, okay? But serious enough to respect. Okay, so ulitin natin. Tonight, we're going to make Forex simple. Okay? But serious enough to respect. So I'm not saying, madali lang yung Forex, kaya-kaya nyo. Hindi. Forex is not easy, but it can be structured and systematized. Okay, imagine opening the chart and instead of guessing, alam mo na yung hinahanap mo. Okay, so wala. Yes, ito meron. Ganun. Alam mo na agad. You know your capital, you know your risk, you know your setup, you know your limit. You know when to act, when to wait, when to stop, when to review. Okay, kasi may system tayong sinusundan. Hindi ka na dependent sa random mga signals. Okay, wag tayong mag-depend dyan. Wag na wag po. Okay? Hindi ka na basta susunod sa post ng iba. Ito, Holy Grail strategy, the best strategy ever. Diba? Hindi ka na naghahanap ng magic strategy. You start thinking like an operator. Okay? Operator is equal to business owner. A real business owner doesn't just rely on excitement. And kung ano lang sinasabi ng iba. Okay? A real business owner has capital, has rules, has records, has review, has data. Diba? Same with trading. Hindi ka nandito para maging gambler, hindi lang to basta buy, sell, okay? You're here to learn how to operate with structure and with discipline. And if you are a breadwinner, okay, taas kami mga breadwinner, sobrang nagmamatter to. Because you don't need random risks. Okay? You need a way to understand risk before you even take it. Okay, hindi lang to basta-basta random na sugal. Okay, alam natin kung magkano lang yung i-risk natin kasi meron tayong system. If you are an OFW, sobrang nagmamatter to. Because your time is expensive. You don't want another thing that consumes your whole life. You need a process you can build around. Okay? And if you are a busy professional, sobrang nagmamatter din to kasi you don't need more chaos. Okay, sobrang gulo na sa work natin. Tapos dito pa rin chaos. Hindi. Okay? You need clarity. You need routine. You need execution that fits real life. And if you're a struggling trader, nagmamatter to lalo. Kasi more strategy may not be the answer. Maybe what you need now is not another setup. Maybe what you need is a business approach. Forex is not gambling. When you stop trading it like gambling, Forex can be approached like a business when you operate it like one. And for the next days, we'll show you how that looks like in action. So day 1, so ito yung the 30-minute Forex business model. Okay? So hindi pa tayo tapos marami pa to. Day 2, and day 2 tayo, the AI environment, di ba? And day 3, the real market. Alright? So by the end, you won't just hear about Forex. You'll see the business case, you'll see the process, you'll see the environment, you'll see the execution. If you're now seeing Forex differently, type mo naman Forex sa chat. Okay? So hindi pala siya basta-basta signal lang. Hindi pala siya buy sell lang. Kailangan pala, ang approach mo dito is like a business. Ayan. So, yun yung pinaka-una. Sobrang kailangan talaga itong maintindihan. So, very good. Ang daming nag-chat ng Forex. And we are 1.5K participants. Congratulations sa inyo lahat. Alright? So, good. Now, let's begin with the first question. Number 1. Why do most people see Forex as gambling? And mali ba sila? Okay? The answer is not a simple yes or no. Okay? Now, before we go deeper, I want to be clear. This is not something I just read online. Okay? Hindi to theory lang, hindi to random idea na feeling ko lang, hindi to trending ang Forex or AI ngayon na hindi. This is something we've seen over and over working with people who want to trade. Newbies, beginners, intermediate, advanced. Lahat. And we kept seeing the same pattern. Again, hindi sila kulang sa potential. Hindi sila kulang sa effort. Nag-aral naman sila. Most of them wanted it badly. Some of them wanted for their family. Some wanted more time. Some wanted more income. Some wanted a skill they could build. And some were already trading. Pero paulit-ulit pa rin ang mistakes. So at first, akala namin strategy ang main problem. Hindi pala. Diba? Maybe they need a better setup. Maybe they need a better entry, diba? Maybe they need indicator, they need the signal. Pero habang tumatagal, na-realize namin, hindi talaga enough yung strategy. Sure na sure talaga. It's not enough. Kasi kahit alam nila yung strategy, they still overtrade. Diba? Kahit alam nila yung risk management, they still over-risk. Kahit alam nila yung stop loss, they still move it or iba tinatanggal. Kahit alam nila dapat mag-review, they still skip it. Di ba? Kasi nakakatamad. Mag-trade na lang ulit. Nasa utak ko naman yung review. Hindi. Mali. Kahit alam nila dapat maghintay, they still enter early. So, the issue was deeper. Hindi naman talaga knowledge problem. Kasi alam naman nila eh. It was an execution problem. A decision problem. A process problem. Most people see Forex the wrong way. They think Forex is about finding the best setups, the perfect entry, the perfect signal, which is walang problema, tama rin naman. They think if I just find the right strategy, okay na ako. So they keep searching, another video, another indicator, another mentor, another signal group, and every time may bagong strategy, may bagong hope. This might be it. Ito na yun, the holy grail. Ito na yung kulang, this might finally work. But after a while, same problem, same emotions, same inconsistency. Because the problem was never just a setup. The problem was how they make decisions. The setup can be good, but if your decision making is random, you will struggle. A strategy can work, but if your risk is uncontrolled, you can still lose badly. A signal can be right, But if you don't understand the reason, you stay dependent. Wala akong nakitang yumaman sa signals. An entry can be correct, but if you panic during the trade, you still break the plan. Okay? So ito yung truth. Forex is not about finding the best setup. Forex is about running a structured decision-making system. And that's what you're getting after this challenge. An environment where decisions are not based on emotions, but on data. Okay? You'll know when to risk, kailan ba ako magsa-stop, kailan magre-review, and kailan mag-i-improve. And sobrang importante nito kasi Forex doesn't become a business because you made money once. Forex becomes a business when you start operating it like a business. So before, ano ba yung pinaka-best strategy? Ano ba yung pinaka-astig pakinggan? Hindi. Ito na dapat. After, what is my decision-making system? My decision-making system. Your decision-making system. Dati, magkano makikitain ko dito sa trading na to? Diba? Ngayon, how much am I willing to risk for this setup or this idea? That is how a trader starts becoming an operator. So type mo nga, trade operator in the chat if you believe you can be one. Okay, trade operator. Okay, trade operator. Ayan. Ayan, ang dami. Congrats. Ayan. So, mamaya, introduce ko pa ang coach na kumita ng dream income niya. So, stay tuned lang kayo. Okay? Let's now break down what our Forex business model needs. So, ito sobrang importante nito, guys. Dito pa lang, sulit na yung pagpunta nyo sa 3 days. Sa totoo lang. So, 3 things I use to operate Forex as a business. You take note of this. So, kasi without these 3, yan, trading, yung magte-trade ka, random lang, equals gambling lang. Diba? So, number 1, ito, business structure. Again, business structure. A structure that tells you exactly what to look for, when to act, or do nothing. Structure equals foundation. And yung foundation, sobrang nagmamatter yan kasi without proper foundation, everything feels urgent. Okay? Feeling mo lahat kailangan mo i-trade. Every candle feels like an opportunity. Every move feels like FOMO. Every post online feels like a signal. Every win screenshot feels like pressure. Pero kapag may structure ka, you know what matters. Okay? Yung mga noise lang yan nasa labas. Alam mo sa sarili mo ano yung nagmamatter. Alam mo yung ignore. Okay, baka ganun yung strategy nila. Ako hindi. Ito ako. You know where to focus. Diba? You know when to wait. Alam mo kung kailan ka bibira talaga. Kasi meron kang system. A business owner doesn't panic every single day. Diba? Merong mga business owner na malakas sa weekdays. May business owner malakas sa weekends. Iba-iba tayo. A business owner looks at sales, expenses, operations, records. Same with trading. Hindi ka lang titingin kung gumagalaw ang chart. Okay? You look at context, you look at levels, you look at risk, you look at your plan. Here's how I think about it. Imagine, dalawang mangingisda. Fishermen. Yung una, may magandang bangka. Grabe, mamahalin mga equipment. Kailangan natin yan para marami tayong isda. Diba? Kailangan yung bangka natin brand new, ha? Kailangan may motor yan. Diba? Kailangan marami tayong ano. Hindi ko alam ko. Pero everyday, random kung saan siya pupunta. Saan kaya mas astig dito? Doon. Ayan, random lang. Minsan maraming huli, minsan wala. Depende sa mood niya, depende sa weather, depende kung saan man. Diba? Yung pangalawa, simple lang, binisic lang niya. Basic lang yung gamit. Ito lang. Okay na to. Mag-work yan. Basic lang. Hindi kailangan ng mamahaling equipment. Ang pinakailangan lang ay may ruta. Ayan. May ruta siya. May schedule. Dito. Ito yung pinakamarami. Ito ganitong oras. Alam niya kung saan ang isda. Based on season. Based on tide. Based on data. Based experience niya. And data ng mga nauna sa kanya. So, sino ang consistent? Yung may system. Yung may structure. Same thing sa trading. May mga tao na sobrang dami ng alam, di ba? Daming indicators, daming patterns, mas marami pang alam na terms kaysa sa akin, daming strategies. Pero, pagharap na ng chart, hindi alam kung anong gagawin. Because knowing 100 things is not the same as having one clear, profitable process. And that's why sa community natin, di ba? We follow a specific framework. So, ang tawag natin dito ay MATE formula. Iba sa inyo, alam na to. Kasi yung MATE formula, yung MATE framework equals structured skill. So, ang market, letter M muna tayo, market direction. So, pataas ba yung price? Pababa? O nagre-range ba? Nagsa-sideways ba? Yan. Very important na malaman natin yan. Okay? So, AF alignment. Saan ba ako pwede mag-trade? Saan ba maganda na pag pumasok sa trade na yon, talagang maganda yung galaw ng market at in favor sa akin. Ayan. Sa inyong A, AF alignment. Yung T, ayun yung magsasabi, game na ba? Confirm na ba? Magbabay na ba ako or mag-sell na ako? Yun yung confirmation. Magsabi sa'yo na, G, let's go. Yung T, yung timing. Yung exit naman, saan ako magti-take profit? Ibig sabihin, saan ako kukubra, saan ako papaldo? Ano bang magandang term dito? Saan ako magti-take na ng money? Okay? Take na ng money. At saan yung stop loss ko? Ibig sabihin ng stop loss is hanggang saan lang yung kaya kong ipatalo. Okay? So, yan yung MATE formula, MATE framework. So, 4 steps lang. Sobrang logical, sobrang structured, sobrang repeatable. If wala kang sinusunod na ganito, hindi ka pa trader. Nanguhula ka pa lang. So, para sa mga hindi pa nag-aaral ng MATE framework, okay, mag-alala, da-dive deep natin yan, no? We have a complete tutorial in YouTube about this. Actually, sobrang dami. Pero ito, dito kayo magsimula sa ating free 5-day course. Okay, sa YouTube meron yan. Check mo lang yung YouTube channel ko, Job Zamora. Tapos harapin mo lang yung playlist doon na 5-day course. So, diniscuss ko lahat dyan in detail. Libre lang. We will not go very technical tonight kasi ayokong ma-overwhelm kayo. Iba-iba kasi kayo ng stages, no? Para naman sa mga nakagamit na ng MATE formula sa trading nila, so, can you share your experiences using this simple framework? Ayan, type mo naman sa chat yung mga nakapaggamit na ng MATE formula, either kasama ka sa community namin or hindi. So, kamusta naman? Type natin sa chat kung nag-work ba? Di ba? Yan, sabi ni Rosana, very helpful. Sabi ni Erwin, basic pero sobrang effective. Iba wala pa. Effective, working, not yet funded. Working, yes, working talaga. So, congratulations sa inyo. And marami pang matutulungan ang MATE formula natin. Ayan, ito yung isa sa mga idol ko eh. 'Di ba? Ito si Wind. Kumita ng 19,600 USD in one payout using the MATE formula. 'Di ba? That's already more than millions na, parang 1.2 million pesos na. He started as a beginner and did this within just 6 months using MATE. Okay? And as of now, hindi lang yan yung payout niya. So, more than 50k USD na. Okay, so malupit yan si Wind. Idol ko yan. So, ito naman si Agnes and Alicar. Ayan, both used MATE framework. Kumita na din. Ayan, si Agnes yan, grabe. May mga withdrawal siya, no? And si Alicar, ayan, kumita rin siya ng, hindi ko masyado mabasa, $100, 100% profit. Ayan. Okay? Si Libby naman, nag-profit ng total of $1,000 in just 1 day. Diba? From zero knowledge, actually hindi siya marunong mag-navigate ng platforms, yung mga MetaTrader, TradingView, to becoming a skilled trader. So, congratulations kay Libby. So, hindi ko sure kung nandito sila. I think may mga nakita akong iba na nandito, no? Si Brainard, ito, nagsimula lang siya $100. Ito, dito ba si Brainard? Then, nagkaroon siya ng milestone na $5,000 in 3 weeks. So, in-interview ko rin siya. Nasa YouTube din siya, si Brainard. Ang pangalan niya, Beng. Ayan. Si Francis, ayan. Si Francis naman, I think nakilala nyo na siya kasi siya yung hindi pala. O, tama. So far, siya yung pinakamalaking kinita sa TMT. Okay? Kano nga ba? Parang multiple 8 digits na si Francis. Si Richel naman, ayan, kumita ng 500K in 3 months. Si Chino naman, ayan, million na rin kinita. Nakapagpatayo na rin ng business, bumili na rin ng mga big bike. Okay, so I think may mga nagbi-big bike dito. Nakita ko rin sila, sila Double B. Sila palipat-lipat. Ayan, hindi sila nagpalipat-lipat. Ginamit lang nila yung mate formula. Minaster nila. Okay? So, few lang yun ng mga traders we've helped inside the TMT community. Ngayon, over 20,000 plus members strong na. Okay? So, they are just ordinary people with extraordinary discipline to execute one simple structure. Kaya, yung Forex as a business, nag-start yan before you click buy or sell. It starts with structure. So, number 2. Okay, number 1 pa lang yun. Execution rules. Execution rules tayo. This is where knowledge becomes action. Ayan na. May kakilala ka ba? Alam naman ang gagawin, pero kapag execution na, sablay. Diba? Sumasablay. Alam naman yung gagawin, pero wala na siyang ginagawa. Pero wala sa siyang ginagawa. Alam niya naman siya yung gagawin, pero wala siyang ginagawa. Okay? Sa mga traders na dito, be honest. Sino kayo dito? Letter A. Ito tayo, letter A. Yan, you know, diba? You should wait, pero you still enter early. Hindi mo nasusunod yung sarili mong kamay, diba? Letter B, can know, you should not overtrade, and you still trade again. Type mo nga, si A ka ba o si B? Ayan, si A, merong A plus B, no? Sa A and B. Okay. So, iisa-isahin natin yan. Ayan, A and B. So, the question is not, alam mo ba mag-trade? Yung talagang question is, may checklist ka bang sinusunod bago ka mag-trade? The execution rules mean having a checklist bago ka pumasok sa trade. Hindi yung, parang tataas buy. Parang bababa, sell. Feeling ko okay to, feeling ko lang, paano kaya? Ay, nako, tataas to, sure ako, baba na to, 'di ba? Uy, tumataas, pasok. Parang gano'n, 'di ba? So, hindi yan ganoon. Ito yung mga sample execution rules. If the risk is too high, I will pass. If hindi clear, I will not trade. I will not force it. Inside the TMT community, meron kami tinatawag na A+ setups. Okay? So, TMT execution rule, no A+ setups, no trade. Again, pag hindi A+ yung setup, magsabihin, maganda, pasok lahat dun sa checklist mo, no trade. Paano yung coach, wala akong trade sa araw? Okay lang. Paano yung coach, wala akong trade sa linggo? Okay lang. Hindi sapat na pwede na. Hindi sapat na, mukhang okay to, wala na akong makita, hindi pwede. Coach, paano malalaman kung A+ setup or not? Ayan yung tanong. Diba? A+ setup yan kapag pasok lahat sa criteria mo, pasok lahat sa system mo. Sa mga beginners na wala pang A+ setup criteria, pwede kayo magsimula sa mate formula. If it's not A+ setup, it's a no. Ganun kasimple. This is important because waiting is also execution. Magulo yung market. Hindi mo alam if up ba or down, just wait. Ba, hindi tayo pwedeng sumugal kung hindi natin alam kung up or down. Passing on a bad trade is also execution. Okay? Imbis na matalo, huwag ka na lang mag-trade, di ba? Masyadong mataas yung risk, pass. Protecting your capital is also execution. And that is number 1, especially kung mag-start ka pa lang. Protect your capital. Most beginners think execution means action. But sometimes, execution means restraint. Walang gagawin. Walang gagalaw. Hindi porket may movement, may trade agad. Hindi porket excited ka, entry agad. Hindi porket may signal, copy agad. Okay? If this alone would help you or remind you, type mo naman A+ sa chat. Yan, A+. So, very important na alamin natin yung mga A+ setup natin. Tapos, i-make sure natin may checklist tayo dun. May system dun. Diba? So, yan, A+. Let's go. So, yun yung mga tututunan natin for today. Okay? Ito naman si Mai. Ito silent reader lang ng TMT. Dati nagbabasa lang siya ng wins ng iba. Pero today, nakaspot na siya ng A+ setup using mate formula. Tingnan mo, ganda ng setup niya. Diba? Ayan. Sabi niya, consistency is the key, sabi ni Mai. Ito naman si Clark, one of our students. Sobrang walang experience sa trading. After 2 months using mate formula para makahanap ng A+ sa setup, naka 9 winning streak siya sa live account niya, and that is real money. Okay? Si Jazz naman, OFW, with just $90 capital after 1 week using mate for A+ setups, $449 ang naging profit niya. Sabi niya, nagitan pa niya yung 1 buwan niyang sweldo. Congrats kay Jazz. Again, hindi sila special, hindi sila genius. They just use the mate formula to find A+ setups. And this is why trading can be run like a system, not a guessing game. Take note, the goal is not to trade more. The goal is to make better decisions. Paano magkakaroon ng better decisions? That leads us to number 3. Ito na, number 3. Let's go. Number 3 is the review loop. Kailangan ba mag-review? This is where improvement happens. Most beginners skip this part kasi hindi siya exciting, nakakatamad eh. Kailangan ko i-journal yung trade ko, kailangan ko i-review. Beginner mistake. Yan, exciting kasi. Entries, profit, signals, results. Diba? Yung parang dopamine rush mo kapag pumasok ka sa trade. Ano yung boring? Journal. Nakatamad yan. Review ng trades, boring. Ito naman, dito naman lahat ng trades ko sa utak ko eh. Diba? So what happens? Wala. Ikot-ikot lang sila. Same mistake, same emotions, same pattern, same frustration. They win, then get excited. They lose, then get too emotional. Diba? Then move on. Walang review, walang lesson, walang correction, walang improvement. That is why they don't improve. They just repeat. That's the cycle. Businesses review decisions. Businesses review mistakes. And businesses review patterns. A real business owner doesn't say, lugi tayo today, maalas Sige, bala na. Bukas ulit. Operators ask, ano kayo nangyari? Ano kayong mali? Paano natin ayusin? Baka ganito. Ayan. Ito pala yung mga mali ko. Ito pala dito mataas benta natin. Dito mababa. Ito gawin natin. Ayan. Same lang with trading. May kasabihan nga ang mga traders, yung mga losses, learning land lahat. Okay? Yes, tama naman. Pero hindi automatic na loss ka, learn ka hindi. Hindi automatic yun. A loss is not just pain. A loss is a data. Okay? Can be data. It can be data only if you review it. If not, wala. Pain lang siya. If you don't review, ayan, losses become trauma, fear, doubt, diba? Kung saan ano nasisihin natin. But if review losses can become lessons. And if you repeat the lesson, it becomes a skill. Okay? It will become part of your system. I get these a lot. Coach, nakatamad mag-journal eh. Kailangan ba talaga yan? Coach, nag-screenshot naman ako eh. Diba? Sapat na ba yan? Gets. Kasi yan naman talaga yung problema ng maraming traders ngayon. Kasi actually ako tinatamad din talaga ako mag-journal. Pare-pareho lang tayo, tamad talaga mag-journal, mga ganyan. And this is also where AI can help us. Ito na yun. Not to replace you, not to trade for you, not to guarantee wins. Sino ito yung gusto na may AI na tutulong sa'yo na mag-journal? Wala ka nang gagawin, mag-isa na siya. Type mo nga me. Siya na bahala mag-recognize ng patterns. Siya na rin bahala. Bakit lagi ka natatalo? Di ba? Malalaman niya, ganito yung pattern mo. Okay? Ito yung mga talon trades mo, kaya iwasan mo to. Yung mga panalong trades mo, ganito, kaya dapat damihan mo to. Ayan. Di ba? Isipin mo, hindi ka na nag-journal, automatic yung journal, tapos automatic din yung pag-recognize ng patterns. Automatic coach na rin. Ayan, ang dami me. Okay. Sige. Noon, 8 years ago, Nag-start ako sa trading, walang ganito. Ano pa lang, Excel pa nga lang nun, Excel sheets. Siyempre, mas mahirap mag-aral, mas may friction, mas nakakatamad mag-journal. For sure, mas matagal matuto. Diba, naalala ko yung ano ko nun, yung journal ko nun, yung backtesting ko nun. Grabe, ang haba, ang dami. So, ang dami kong ginawa, sinulat ko lahat, na-overwhelm lang ako. Ngayon, eto na. AI can speed up the process. AI can improve your execution instantly. AI makes you a better decision maker. Okay? Tomorrow, we'll show you what that looks like inside the environment where AI is not a threat but your companion. So bukas lahat yan. Meron din tayong special guest dyan. But for tonight, eto lalahin nyo. No review, no improvement. Okay? Pag di ka nag-review, ulit-ulit ka lang. Sayang. Si Noe yan, wala ng 100k sa crypto. Wala kasing structure, walang rules. Puro instinct lang. When he learned to review his trades, iba na ang results. 'Di ba? So ayan, mga profits niya, 'di ba? May running trade siya ng 178 USD. Si Lynn, malaki rin nawala sa kanya before. Pero once she improved her execution, ayan, nag-profit siya agad ng 11k in 1 week. So let's recap. If Forex is a business, it needs 3 things. Number 1, business structure. So you stop reacting to everything. Number 2, rules, execution rules. So you know when to act or wait. Number 3 is the review loop. So every trade can teach you something. Structure, execution, review, and that is the foundation. Not gambling, walang signals, walang random buy and sell. A structured decision-making system, that is the business approach. The bigger question is, are you ready to operate the whole system? Ready ka na ba? Can you prepare? Diba? Can you wait? Can you execute properly? Can you review? That is what separates a gambler from someone learning to operate it as a business. The challenge here is that, who are you gonna be in front of your charts? The gambler or the operator? Sige nga, ano ka? The gambler operator. O baka may gambler pa rito. Ay, operator na tayong lahat. We are business operators. You are a business operator. Ayan, ang dami. This time, I want you to hear a real story from one of my students. Ito, grabe. Sobrang inspiring nito. Sometimes a concept becomes clearer when you hear it from someone like you. Diba? Simula pa lang, wala pang results. Ayan. Especially if you've tried business before or felt like you needed a better vehicle. Okay? Kagaya nyo rin siya noon, stuck and struggling. Until she realized the opportunity of Forex when done properly. So, let's welcome Coach Pia. Yan, dyan na si Coach Pia.
Guys,
Grabe, welcome nyo naman si Coach Pia. Chat nyo, welcome, Coach Pia. Lalo na sa mga nakakilala kay Coach Pia. Diba, idol natin.
Right. Hello guys, hello.
Ay, sorry. Ayan, dyan na si Coach Pia.
Good evening, Coach. Congrats, ang ganda ng session. For sure, ang daming natutunan ng mga audience natin, ng mga meets natin online. Madami ba, guys? Type nyo naman, Paldo. Ayan, good evening sa lahat. Hello. Type nyo naman, Paldo. Yan, Paldo. Yung Paldo, ginagamit na term, wow, nag-explain na, no? ng mga trader yan. Konting explain lang. So, pag sinabi nilang Paldo, ibig sabihin, 'di ba? Trade nila TP, yan, panalo. Ano daw? Galing Okay, medyo mabilis. So, maganda Gracia, Piyaya. Meron tayong replay. Yan. Sige. Hello. Kamusta? Ayusin ko lang ang slides ko. Pero sige, habang nag-aantay tayo, ayan. Nandiyan pala sila Sharon. Sila Angie. Waiting pumaldo now. Wow, si Ray, waiting na daw siya pumaldo. Ayun, guys. Good evening everybody. So, quick lang naman yung sharing ko and hopefully, Yung masishare ko sa inyo tonight is makapag-impact syempre ng malaki sa trading journey nyo. Especially yung mga nag-start pa lang. Kasi kwento ko tonight yung kung paano ako nagsimula, paano ako napunta sa Forex, ganyan. Okay, ready na ba tayo? Ready na? Okay. So, lagay ko lang dito. And ayan. So, I guess okay na. Ay, di ba? May pa-picture. Ayun, sige, start na tayo. So, ayun. Hello everyone. Yan, sa mga hindi pa ako napapanood sa mga live at saka siguro sa YouTube, ganyan, kasi may video tayo doon, is I'm Coach Pia. And, taga saan ba si Coach Pia? Ayan. I'm from Tarlac Province. Meron ba dito mga taga Tarlac? Meron ba? Parang sobrang dami kanina eh. Ayun, meron Tarlac City. Grabe. Imposibleng wala, no? Kasi 1.5 tayo dito. Tapos imposibleng wala taga Tarlac. So, if imagine niyo yung Tarlac, so marami kasi yan, no? Dito ako sa side na medyo maraming bundok, di ba? Payapa, maraming puno, green, walang buildings. So, dyan ako lumaki. Okay? Diyan sa Tarlac Province or sa San Jose. Yan, nakapunta na ba kayo dyan? Sino na nakapunta dyan? Yan, monasteryo and all. So, lumaki ako sa probinsya. Probinsyana, in other words. And, ayan. Diyan ako nagsimula. I'm a teacher by profession. Alright? So, ito yung tinik ko ng college and then ito yung unang work ko din. Diba? Naging teacher ako. And may mga teacher po ba dito? Ma'am, sir? Yan, good evening po, ma'am, sir. Okay, so, na-experience ko syempre na makapag-teach din, makapagturo sa private at saka both sa DepEd din, yan, sa public. And doon ko naranasan that time, syempre yung bittersweet experience, di ba, sa pagtuturo. And actually, hindi naman talaga mahirap magturo kasi nakakatuwa naman yung mga bata, sa elementary kasi ako, yung mga kids, mga kinder. So, siguro ang pinaka nahirapan ako is yung other than nagtuturo ka, marami ka pang ginagawang iba, di ba? Nagre-reklamo. So, hindi naman sa nagre-reklamo, pero I understand this kasi for sure, yung mga teacher na nakikinig dito, gets nila to, no? Kasi sobrang hirap, ang daming mga pinapagawang paperworks and everything else. And for me, naging bittersweet yung experience, although fulfilling din naman siya. Especially kasi mother ko, teacher din. Diba? Nakita ko rin sa kanya yung passion. And I knew teaching is a noble profession. And during that time, something inside me knows na I am capable of more. Parang sabi ko, hindi ko na-imagine sarili ko na hanggang retirement. Diba? Nag-check ako ng papel, ng quiz. Diba? Nagtuturo ako or nasa loob ako ng classroom. So parang for me, hindi ako bagay doon. Okay? May ganun din ba dito? Parang na-feel nyo, situation you right now is parang hindi kayo para dyan. Yan. So, okay lang yun. So that time, habang nag-iisip-isip na ako na hindi ako dito, parang nagtatry na ako ng mga iba't ibang gagawin, di ba? So ano yung options ko? So ito yung first option ko, guys. So nakita ko kanina, merong mga nag-travel and tours dito. And ako, when I was, nung pagka-graduate ko, mga 19 ata ako nun. So, ito yung ginawa ko. So, nag-open ako ng travel and tours ko, mostly umakyat ng bundok, local tours. So, wala pa international nun. So, masaya siya. Masaya siyang gawin. Sobrang saya talaga siya. Tapos, ito yung time na, syempre, pinag-iisipan ko na gusto ko na rin siyang i-push, ganyan. And suddenly, di ba? Yung ganung business, nag-close siya. So, meron ba dito mga naging affected din ng pandemic? Ayan, gusto ko lang din malaman. Type nyo lang me, ayan. Kung naging affected din kayo ng pandemic before. Alright, so, ganyan nangyari sa akin. So, business no, nakala ko magiging okay na. Tapos, ayan, naging ganyan siya. So, because of that, syempre, naghanap akong ibang option. Ayan. So, nakita ko rin kanina, ang daming nag-try nito. So, ito yung mga tinry ko. Nagbenta ako ng supplements, MLM, and during that time, sabi ko, ito na to. Diba, yaman na ako dito. Ang dami kong in-invest, ang dami kong biniling products, nag-invite pa ako ng kaibigan ko, pamilya ko. Diba? So, technically, parang na-experience ko yung pandemic era na nag-MLM ako. So, online, mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, ayun, syempre, ending nun, dami kong product sa bahay. Okay. So, yun, ako na lang uminom. Okay, kasi dumating yung point na parang ayoko nagbenta kasi parang nahiya na ako, mga ganun. Okay, so ano pa? So by that time, ito pa, nakakaano, kasi nakapag-resign na ako noon. Kasi sabi ko parang okay naman to, push ko na lang to, ayoko nang balik sa pagtuturo. So nag-resign ako. So that time, I have no choice, I can't give up. Kaya naman, 'di ba? Nag-search pa tayo ng ibang gagawin. Ayan, NFT, game and crypto. So, meron ba nakapag-try niyan? Type nyo lang me. So, ito yung mga dati kong pinagkakabalahan at ito yung una experience ko sa trading. Kasi noon akala ko yung trading, parang ano lang, ayan, magta-trade ka lang, 'di ba? Bibili ka ng SLP, tapos or yung SLP mo ipapa-trade mo na para maging peso, ayun, pera na siya. So, yan, yung mga na-try ko noon. And then, syempre, I lost a lot of money in crypto trading and even sa futures. Ito yung nakakatawa, guys. Akala ko noon, after ng 4 na green candles, red naman. Ganyan ako parang inosente sa trading. Sobrang sabi ko, sure ako, after ng 4 na green candle, red naman susunod. Ganyan lang ako mag-trade noon. So walang kahit ano, 'di ba? Kulay ng candle. So ay, ang dami ng red. Green na yung susunod. Parang ganun. So, sobrang walang alam talaga sa trading. And ito pa, nag-try ako that time. So, di ba, nag-fail na ako sa trading. Sabi ko, e-com naman. Gawa ko ng product ko, benta ako, online selling ako. Grabe, sobrang daming racket talaga. Isa pa, ito pa pala, nag-real estate pa ako. So, ayan, di ba, model-model sa may ano. For sure, alam niyo yan kung anong company yan. So, nagbenta rin ako ng condos. So, sobrang dami experience, sobrang daming tinry, but I still failed. So, yung frustration, yung pag-work hard, and then yung mga tinry ko, syempre, mga option, hindi siya nag-work. And still, feeling ko stuck pa rin ako. 'Di ba? Akala ko, 'di ba, pagka nag-chase ka ng dream mo, okay, madali lang, pero hindi pala talaga siya ganun kadali. So, this is the point where I've lost money, trust from people, and also trust sa sarili ko. Kasi mahirap yun pagka sobrang dami mo ng failure. Mahirap yun kasi parang nawalan ka ng kumpiyansa sa sarili. Na parang yung next na gagawin mo, feeling mo hindi rin siya okay. Ganun. Kasi try ko na lahat, nakapag-trading na nga ako, di ba? So parang for me that time, ano pa yung gagawin ko? Parang ganun. So, yun yung point na I was at my rock bottom. So, narinig niyo na ba yung term na rock bottom? So, ito yung moment wherein ito yung pinakamababa, pero mas mababa ka pa. At feeling mo, parang yun na yun. Yun na yung lowest point. And wala ka ng option kundi tumaas. So, parang that point, sabi ko, as a positive person, sabi ko, kaya ko to, okay? Meron yan, may mangyayari. So, kapit lang, ganyan. So, next tayo, parang ganun. So, that time, habang iniisip ko yun, syempre, sa isang banda, parang may pagsisisi, parang mali ba yung nagdinegosyo ako? Dapat ba mag-work na lang ako? Kasi yun, sigurados, may pension, pagka matanda mo, secured ka, and everything else. So, may mga regrets na rin talaga. And that time, yan, na-feel ko talaga I was broke, alone, and depressed. And my family have no idea. Okay, wala silang idea that time. Sobrang hirap kasi yun yung time na syempre akala nila okay ka kasi nagninegosyo ka pero need mo lang ipakita na okay ka kasi kakabahan sila pag hindi, di ba? Papauwiin ka nila. So ayoko na umuwi sa bahay kasi yun, niniwala ko na kaya ko naman siya. Tapos ayan, nalagay ko lang yung picture na yun kasi it reminds me na yung itlog, di ba? Parang dati bigla marami itlog, lalaga ko. Matagal din ulamin. So yan yung pinaka lowest experience ko na yung itlog talaga yung naging source ng ano ko. Yun yung kinakain ko araw-araw. Tsaka kanin, syempre. So, yan. Okay na yan. Tapos yung, alam mo yung toyo na may chili mansi, yun. Okay na yan. So, yun lang. Hanggang sa, ayan, syempre, fast forward na tayo konti. Ayan, while searching ako about crypto, ayan, napadaan ako sa video na to sa YouTube. Sino na nakapanood dito? So, ito yung video ni Coach Job na nagtuturo siya ng forex trading. Okay, first time ko lang marinig nun yan. Hindi ko alam yung forex. 'Di ba? Ano ba yung forex? Ang alam ko lang pala sa forex, yung yung punta ka sa ibang bansa, 'di ba? Papapalit kang pera, yun lang. So, di ko alam, meron pala siya online. So, ito siya. So, anong nangyari? Because I thought, pwede itong gawin, itry ko ulit yung trading, baka dati. Kasi hindi ko talaga inaral, baka dati kasi parang nag-gamble lang ako. So dito, narealize ko, wala akong need bentahan, wala akong need gawin na product, di ba? Wala akong need kausapin. Forex lang, ako lang, tapos yung cellphone lang, tapos nasa bahay lang. Di ba? Very, very, ano talaga, gives me, syempre, the confidence na ito lang talaga yung option ko that time. Forex is the only option. So, yun yung situation ko, guys. So, itong picture na to, yung iba alam na to, and this is very memorable for me kasi ito yung first time, nung nag-enroll ako sa TMT, first time na nakausap ko si Coach Job, one-on-one sa Zoom session. And yung conversation dito, I always share it sa mga tao, sa mga bagong students ng TMT, sa mga lumang students ng TMT, at hindi ako magsasawang ikwento itong story na to lagi. So, yun. May one question ako na pinaka naalala dito. Sabi ni Coach, Pia, magkano yung gusto mo na income sa Forex? Ayan. So, syempre, that time, sobrang down ko, no? Marami na akong losses. So, negative pa kasi syempre, nagkautang, nagpa-invest ako, so ako hinahabol, mga ganong scenario. So, parang that time, mabot na rin ng millions yung negative ko. And sabi ko, Forex, okay, dito ko siya nakita na possible mabawi. Okay? So, pangit yung mindset ko nun kasi gusto kong makabawi sa losses ko, no? Pero, I use this mindset para, syempre, maging successful ako sa Forex. Hindi yung parang mag-gamble lang ako na babawi ako kasi madami ako losses. Ginamit ko siya as inspiration. Okay? So, ang sagot ko dyan, alam nyo na yan, sabi ko, 500,000 coach, 500K po coach. So, anong nangyari? Diba? Anong nangyari nun? Ito pa yung natatandaan ko. Sabi ni Coach Job that time, sabi niya, yung most realistic monthly income sa Forex is 10% of your capital. Siyempre gulat ako kasi sabi ko, akala ko pag Forex, 100%, 200% ng capital, 300%. Yun yung alam ko dati na Forex. Kasi yun yung nakikita ko di ba? Ang dami nagpo-post, ganyan, may mga sports car and everything else. So, iniisip ko, yung millions na utang ko, para mabilis ko siya mababawi sa Forex. Pero nung nalaman ko na 10% lang pala yung realistic or less, kasi yun talaga yung totoo, okay, medyo sabi ko, hala, paano nga ba ito mangyayari? So, I just did the math, diba? So, paano ba yun? Ayan, sorry. Ayan. So, kung $10,000 yung kailangan ko, which is that time, no, nasa 50 pa lang yung dollar. So, that's half M, diba? Ito, math natin ng konti. So, kayo, kung may goal din kayo, you can math it. So, paano mo siya ma-achieve? So, yun yung one thing na natutunan kay Coach Job. Hindi lang pwedeng may goal ka, kailangan mo siya lagyan ng steps paano mo siya ma-achieve. So, ima-math mo siya. Kailangan maintindihan mo paano. So, ganito yung nangyari. $10,000, so 10% yun nung magkano dapat yung capital. Okay? Ganyan natin i-compute yung goal income natin. Okay? So, magkano siya? So, simple math. Siyempre, ang need natin is $100,000. Tama ba yung math ko? So, ganyan siya. So, $100,000 na capital times 10%, and that's $10,000. Tapos, in peso, estimated, gawin na natin 500K. Tapos, ganyan i-math yung goal. Okay? Pero, syempre, math pa lang yan. So, marami pang doubts. Paano ko yung gagawin? Saan ako magsisimula? Saan ako ang capital? Baka kagaya din to ng crypto, ganyan. Sino tutulong sa akin? So, yan yung mga na-experience ko before. Alright? So, ang nangyari, ayan, I was so lucky kasi napasama ako dito sa group na to wherein lagi kami nagko-coaching call, lagi kaming may accountability sa isa't isa, and very thankful ako dahil nakasama ko sila nung nag-start talaga ako. So, syempre, binigyan nila akong structure, ginaid nila ako, may nasasharean ako, di ba, ng mga experiences ko. And then ayan, si Coach Job, si Coach Pearl, si Miss MCN, sila yung mga nandyan nakasama ko before. And during that time, syempre, na-realize ko, 'di ba, naging tama yung mindset ko kanina, yung mga tinuro ni Coach Job. Yun yung mga na-experience ko diyan nung nag-start pa lang ako. And swerte ako kasi may nagsabi sa akin nun. Kasi kung walang nagsabi sa akin nun, patuloy lang ako mag-gamble. Same as with you kanina, swerte kayo kasi nasabi na agad sa inyo yun, lalo na yung mga nag-i-start. Okay? So, sa Forex, walang shortcut. Nag-start ako sobrang liit. Ito, first screenshot ng earning ko yan. March 23, 2023. So, nag-try lang ako, small account sa MetaTrader, tapos nag-trade ako ng ano ba ginold, gold na agad ata yung tinrade ko dyan. So, favorite ko kasi yung gold. Tapos, ayan yung first earning ko, in-screenshot ko. And tignan nyo naman yung chart ko no una. So, ganyan kagulo yung chart ko. Ang daming line, di ba? Tapos wala pang mga position tool. Wala pa akong idea nun paano yung mga lot size, ganyan. Pero, slowly, inaral ko siya. Slowly, sinundan ko yung mga tips na sinasabi ng mga kasama ko. Kasi syempre sila, yung experience nila, pag narinig mo, parang experience mo na rin. Yun yung leverage, di ba? Pag may mga kasama ka talaga. Compared pag mag-isa mo lang. So, the system has been provided for me and all left for me to do is my part lang. What's my part? To do whatever it takes. Okay? Para mag-work siya. So, ang question, Coach, na-secure mo ba yung capital na kailangan mo? So, paano ko na-secure ito? Tip lang sa mga nag-start pa lang. Prep firm, yan, search niyo yung word na yan, prep firm. So, yan yung nagbigay sa akin ng $100 na capital. $100,000 na capital. Okay? Yan yung nagbigay sa akin. Na-secure ko ba siya? So, dati, minamanifest ko lang. Yan, sinusulat ko lang yung pangalan ko sa certificate na soon, magkakaroon ako ng $100,000 na capital. Sinusulat ko lang yan. Pero, nakuha ko ba siya? Yes. Okay, nakuha ko siya. So ngayon, meron na ako $100,000. 'Di ba? Sa math natin, pag meron ka ng ganyang capital, ang kailangan mo na lang 10% monthly, 'di ba? Para makuha mo yung half M na income na gusto mo every month. Alright? So, ngayon, my vision, half M, nagawa ba? Okay? Nagawa ko nga ba? So, yes, naging reality siya. Alright? So, yun lang yung mga experiences ko na parang hindi ako mapapagod ulit-ulitin, okay? I-share sa inyo kasi for sure, ayoko naman talaga, ayokong magyabang or whatever. Gusto ko lang na makapag-inspire na if it happened to me, 'di ba? It can happen to you. And also, that time, Forex was the only option for me. Pero ngayon, Forex has given me a lot of options and the freedom. Di ba? Baliktad. Dati, Forex lang yung option ko. Pero ngayon, yung Forex na yung nagbibigay ng maraming option. I am able to travel again, di ba? Across Philippines, sa ibang bansa. And yung mas fulfilling dyan, travel with family. Di ba? Yung madala mo yung parents mo sa Disneyland. Yan, kapatid ko yung nasa right. Very, 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 very fulfilling yan. Kasi, di ba, nakakahil ng childhood doon. So, ang gandang pakiramdam and that's all because of Forex. Tapos, also, TMT has provided me not just the knowledge but the whole community. Ayan. So, binigyan ako ng opportunity maging coach, ginrab ko siya. And right now, syempre, nakahelp na tayo ng mas marami pang ibang aspiring traders. Okay? So, yun. If this happened to me, this can happen to you. And TMT in 2026 is way better than TMT in 2023 back when I was starting. Ibang-iba na ngayon. Sobrang dami ng support na binibigay sa mga students in terms of sa AI. Ayan. In terms of sa mga coaches, sa mga squads. So, ang dami na ngayon. So, what I learned from this experience. So, ito, before I end, tandaan natin to and ito yung na-learn ko dito. So, if you feel inside you that you can be more, syempre, you have to go for it. Okay? Magiging mahirap, magiging maraming struggles, pero, yan, kapag tinuloy-tuloy mo lang, okay? Pag tinuloy-tuloy mo lang, opportunity will come and support will come. Just like what happened to me, di ba? Go lang and then gulta ko, andyan na yung opportunity, andyan na yung support, di ba? And when it comes, pag dumating na yung mga yon, guys, do whatever it takes to make it happen. Okay, kasi yun na yung chance natin. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you, Forex, and thank you, TMT, sa opportunity, and thank you, Coach Job, diba, for giving me yung pathway, paano ko siya may hit. And right now, dami, 1.5K na mga students na dito yung may help natin. So, yun lang, guys. Enjoy, enjoy. Marami pang surprises. Thank you, thank you.
Salamat. Tama nga si Coach Piano. Ilang beses ko nang narinig din. Ilang beses na narinig yung iba siguro yung story niya. Pero never pa rin talaga ako nagsawa. Kasi sobrang inspiring talaga. Meron din, no? Parang may mga nakaganon. Anong face yan? Diba? So, thank you so much, Coach Pia. Sige, sige, sige. Sino mga na-inspire kay Coach Pia? Sino dito gusto niya kumita siya ng first 10K USD niya sa Forex trading? Ayan, so ang dami, no? Ayan. So, kung kaya ni Coach Pia, kaya nyo rin. So, actually, isa lang si Coach Pia sa mga nakagawa nun. So, pag nagpunta kayo sa mga events, ayan, so mas marami pa kayong makikita. So, I think yung iba sa inyo nakikita rin yung mga posts natin. Yan, madami sila. Alright. So, again, thank you, Coach Pia. So, hindi lang theory, hindi lang framework. Actual execution, actual results, and actual journey. Diba? And more importantly, you saw what's possible when this is done the right way. So, let's type in the chat, Lodi, Coach P. Yan, para if na-inspire ka, natuto ka from Coach P. Lodi. Yan, uso Lodi. Lodi, Coach P. Yan, salamat. Love you, Coach P. Ayan, sabi. Okay, sige. So, the lesson is not business is bad. Hindi naman yun yung point, di ba? The lesson is, not every business model fits the freedom you are trying to build. Ikaw, ano yung tsura ng freedom na gusto mo? And if you choose Forex as your vehicle to freedom, you cannot treat it like a shortcut. Di ba? Because here's what I noticed. Most people don't fail because they chose Forex. Hindi. They fail because they're trying to build a new future using old habits and old beliefs. Learning alone, practicing alone, failing alone, trying again, alone. That's why inside TMT, we don't just teach Forex, we build an environment that helps people stay consistent. An environment where we combined the power of AI and human connection together. An environment where AI gives you clarity and people give you accountability. AI answers your questions 24/7. People remind you why you started. Forex is the vehicle, but it's the environment that helps you keep moving even on the hardest days. So, okay, quick check tayo. If what we discussed makes sense so far, type mo naman yes sa chat. And para malaman ko na nandyan pa kayo, type mo naman yes sa chat. Ang dami, oh. Yan, salamat. Congratulations for staying. And if you agree na Forex should not be treated like gambling, yan, type mo rin yes. Okay? We are operators, business operators. We are not gamblers. Okay? And if you agree na Forex business needs structure, type mo yes. Kailangan pa talaga na structure sa Forex or buy sell lang? If need ng structure, type mo yes. Ayan. Let's go. And if you agree na review is where improvement happens, type yes. Diba? Like sa business, hindi mo naman pwedeng, bahala na, diba? Net loss ba this month? Bakit? Di ko alam. Diba? Hindi pwede ka na i-review mo kung bakit net profit, kung bakit net loss, and bakit ganun. Diba? Saan tayo mag-improve? Ganyan. So, good. Lahat tayo yes. Because if you said yes, to most of those, you're seeing the shift. You're no longer looking at Forex as just a money button. You're starting to see it as something you operate, something you build, and something you respect. And that matters because how you see Forex determines how you behave doing Forex. This is the biggest win tonight. Not yet profit, perspective. Okay? Kung wala kang ganitong perspective, you will not become a successful trader. Before you can trade better, you need to see trading better. You might be wondering, Coach, how do we really leverage AI sa trading? Glad you asked that kasi for the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how. But before we move forward, let me ask you something. Can you now see yourself doing Forex as a business? Can you type yes in the chat kung nakita mo yung sarili mo na, ito na talaga yung business na para sa akin. Yung Forex trading, naintindihan ko na. Type mo yes. Ayan. So, ang dami. Because if the answer is yes, then this is no longer just information for you. This becomes a decision point. Now, from here, you really only have two choices. So, choice number one, you take everything you learned today from me, from Coach Pia, and you try to figure this out on your own. Okay lang naman yun, di ba? Honestly, wala namang problema talaga dun. At least now, you're not starting from zero. You have awareness, you've seen how it works, and you have that tool to use. But, there's a second option. Ayun, ang dami tatanong kanina sa chat. And this is the path that most people don't get access to. It's the option where you don't have to figure this out alone. Where instead of guessing, you are guided. Instead of wondering kung tama ba ginagawa mo, may system ka ng sinusunod. Instead of spending months or even years figuring out how to become a profitable trader on your own, you're put into a system that helps you build that in the next 60 days. A system that helps you become more efficient, an environment that will help you keep going. And when we decided to open this again, we knew one thing. We didn't want to create another Forex course kasi sobrang dami na nun. Not another folder of videos. Not another thing you buy, then forget. What we wanted to build is something different. Something na never pang ginawa ng kahit anong Forex trading community. This is something that actually helps you move from stock to structured. The first time we did it in April, 220 people signed up to the challenge. They earned, again, 36K in the first 2 weeks after they started the challenge. This season 2, we just made it even better. New features, more support, and more accountability. If you're ready to see what we've prepared for you, chat mo naman, ready. Ayan. Kung ready ka na. Ayan, let's go. Okay. Ayan na. After 3 months of closing this, we are now opening Activate Batch 2. Ayan. Grabe. So, Activate Season 2, a 60-day execution system. TMT Activate is a 60-day trading execution challenge. Hindi siya course, ha? Hindi siya video library na manonood ka lang ng mag-isa. Hindi siya signal group where you copy someone else's trades blindly. It's a guided system. For 9 weeks, you are walked through a structured trading process. Okay? It's the environment that made Raquel, Mark, Darius, Jonathan, Almer, Angelo, and sobrang dami pa got their funding. Okay? That's 5-6 figures USD. 60 days, you practice it, you execute it, and most importantly, you get corrected on it. Until it becomes part of how you operate. Until maging normal na lang sa'yo yung galaw ng isang profitable na trader. With only 30 minutes a day lang, even if you're a beginner, even kahit busy ka sa work. Who is this for? This is for Filipinos who want to do Forex just like a business with structure and repeatable system. Okay? Again, para to sa mga Filipinos na gusto gawin yung Forex na parang business na may structure at repeatable system. Hindi na naghahanap ng shortcut. Gusto na ng structure. Gusto na ng system. So, para kanino na to? For breadwinners na lumalaban ng patas. Yung tipong, alam mo na kaya mo pa. Pero kailangan mo lang ng sistema para ilabas yun, yung potential mo. You're busy, may work ka, may responsibilities ka, but you're willing to carve out kahit 30 minutes a day lang para mag-build ng skill na pwedeng mag-compound long term. And most importantly, you understand this, hindi to sugal or hype. This is a skill and you are ready to treat it like one. Now, at the same time, this is not for everyone. So, para kanino ba to hindi? Okay, this is not for. Who is this not for? Hindi to para sa'yo kung naghahanap ka ng instant results. Okay, hindi to mag-a-align sa'yo. If gusto mo na ibang tao or AI yung gagawa ng trades para sa'yo, hindi po ito yun. And if you're the type na you jump from one thing to another without really committing to a process, then honestly, hindi ito para sa'yo. Because what we're building here is not just a program eh. It's a culture. It's a movement. A community of people na seryoso sa growth nila. And because of that, we are intentional with who we allow inside. Here's what happens once you're inside TMT Activate. Yan. Again, you have 60-day challenge. You have a 60-day challenge, 60 days of execution, not designed for you to watch videos, but to actually execute. Inside the program, everything is built around action. You don't just study the market. You practice it, you execute it, you review it step by step. Ayan, di ba yung mga A+ setup natin? You identify your A+ setup through demo and backtesting so you build a skill without risking your capital. Live trading with guidance. Ito, not guesswork. So, meron tayong mga live trading sessions para mag-guide ka. Hindi lang basta hula-hula. And scaling. Ito, very important. Where you can access larger capital once you're ready. Diba yung parang kay Coach Pia, yung 100K USD larger capital. Structured at day 60. You are now transformed into the identity of a profitable trader. Diba? At day 60, masasabi mong yung identity mo as a profitable trader na. Ayan, structured, selective, and protected yung capital. Alright? Now, what makes this different is the environment. Kasi hindi mo to gagawin mag-isa. Ayan, meron kang squad accountability. Meron tayong Discord community. Your squad, your growth. I think isa to sa mga pinaka-favorite na Activate Batch 1, yung squads, no? You're placed inside a small squad with around 10 to 15 students per group. With a dedicated squad leader coming from our select CTT or Certified 30-Minute Traders and Elite Traders and a TMT coach looking after you guys. So weekly, you have live coaching sessions and you also break down trades with your squads. So you're not just implementing, you're getting corrected, you're getting feedback, and you are improving with direction. And that's how you go from, alam ko naman yung basics, to, I actually know what I'm doing. Ayan. So alam mo talaga ginagawa mo. So type activate if you wanna challenge yourself for the next 60 days. Type mo activate. Ayan. Activate. Let's go. Sobrang exciting na to. Let's go. Now, let me ask you something based on everything you've seen so far. Yung system, the structure, yung coaching, yung guidance. Sa tingin mo, magkano to? Okay, yun yung tanong natin, magkano to? Because if we look at the market right now, programs that actually give structure and coaching, 50, 80, 100K, actually more pa nga. Pag tumitingin talaga ako sa mga international, sobrang more pa. And those are just programs without monitoring, diba? Without feedback. Program lang talaga. And the truth is, with the transformations made in Season 1, there are people who are willing to pay more for this. I'm sure mag-agree yung mga nasa Season 1 dito. Instead of paying through mistakes, through losses, through trial and error, months, even years, figuring things out on their own, and if you add that up, easily 6 digits. Hindi lang sa pera, pati sa oras, pati sa energy, di ba? Now, for TMT Activate, the 60-day system, the structure, the coachings, the guidance, you're not paying 100K or 50K, diba? Hindi 100,000 pesos, hindi 50,000 pesos. The investment is only $25,999 and financing is available. You can secure your slot now. Click the link in the chat or go to tmtprogram.com/activates2. Again, click mo yung link sa chat or go to tmtprogram.com/activates2. We're starting this challenge on August 1 na yun. Maraming tatanong kailan yung season 2 eh. August 1 tayo. So, that's around 2 weeks from now, no? And because this is structured, we only open a limited number of squads per batch. Parang last year, di ba? Limited lang talaga. So once napuno na yung slots, the enrollment will be closed. Excuse me. The enrollment will be closed. So may know sino dito yung kasali season 1? Type mo nga season 1 sa chat. Yung mga kasali. Season 1. Ayan. CK, Ferdinand, Emilio. Ayan, season 1. Diba? Meron season 2 na agad. Okay. Ayan. So, pa-email daw ng link, sabi. Madami kasama sa season 1. Ayan. So, good news for you. You are covered by the momentum perks. Okay? Momentum perks means when you decide to join this challenge again, your enrollment fee will stay the same as your last season. Oh, palakpakan nyo naman. Diba? Malupit yan. As support, support to your momentum, you don't get affected by any price increase in the future. As our support pala to. Nalito ako. So now I know some of you here, sobrang beginner pa. So type mo nga 0 sa chat. So I think may mga sobrang beginner pa dito. Type mo nga 0. Ayan, 0. Ayan. So medyo marami-rami pa. Okay. Sige, para sa inyo to. Baka inisip mo ngayon, wala pang ako alam sa Forex eh. Wala pang ako napapanood na kahit ng lessons or modules eh. Sobrang okay lang yun. Kasi when you decide to start today, sa mga bago, don't worry, I'll make sure na prepared ka. So ito yung bonus para sa'yo. Buksan na yung box. You also get a free access to my step-by-step Forex Beginners modules. So ito yung the TMT program, a step-by-step trading modules. This is worth $5,997 and ibibigay ko to sa inyo ng free. Okay? Para wala nang, hindi nyo na kailangan mga pa. Diba? At maging ready kayo for the Activate Season 2. It's a step-by-step modules about mate formula, a clear guide, and everything you need to understand the basics. Kagaya ni Alo, beginner, di ba? Nakapag-aral na ng mate formula even before pa magsimula ang challenge. So sabi niya, thank you sa mate formula, proper risk management, lalo na psychology po na tinuro nyo. Hindi pa nag-start yung batch namin sa Activate. Module pa lang, Coach Job, solve na. Ayan, sabi niya. The TMT Activate begins in 14 days. So the sooner you start learning, the better. TMT Basic Program helps you to go from level 0 to level 2. So while building the strong foundation of your Forex business. So when the challenge starts, you're ready to execute. And that's the advantage. Most people nag-aaral muna, tapos aral ulit. Aral lang na aral. Tapos natapos lang sa aral. Ikaw, after learning, you go straight into implementation. You ride the momentum. This is your chance to get this for free for the whole 60 days challenge. So click mo na yung link, secure your spot, and let's get you activated. Okay? Now at this point, I know for most of you, hindi pa kayo 100% decided. Because even if you see the value, may mga pumapasok pa rin na tanong. Okay, gets ko, pero paano kung hindi ako consistent? Paano kung mawalan ako ng gana halfway? Paano kung mali pa rin yung ginagawa ko? And honestly, those are valid. Because that's exactly why most people fail. Hindi dahil kulang sila sa effort, kundi dahil wala silang support when it matters. So instead of ignoring those problems, we built TMT Activate around them. Meaning, every common reason why people get stuck, we solved it one by one. So let me walk you through it. Coach, paano ba yung sistema ng 60 days? Ang dami namin. Paano matatrack yung progress namin? Paano matacheck yung trades namin? We hear these kinds of problems day and night. Kaya naman, we invested millions of pesos and tons of time, so malitong thousands, millions of pesos and tons of time in putting up a system that will keep an eye on you. 24/7 for 60 days straight. Ikaw, from solo, di ba nagkaroon ka na ng squad leader, nagkaroon ka na ng coach, tapos, meron ka pang 24/7 AI system. This is where the power of AI and human connection start transforming lives. This is the environment that I'm talking about earlier. Ginawa namin to make consistency automatic. All who signs up for the TMT Activate gets their access to the Mate Portal. Ayun, di ba? Ang daming tatanong ng Mate Portal kanina. Ayan, so kasama siya sa TMT Activate. It's a one-stop system for your knowledge, feedback, and progress. Instant access to everything in just one click. Dito mo ma-access yung modules mo. Ayan. And real-time progress mo nandito na lahat. May data ka na. Hindi ka na mag-journal. Okay. For the first time, we are giving you access to a system that will keep your Forex business in one place. One click removes every reason that keeps you stuck. One login activates your whole 24/7 system. This is believed to be first in the Philippines and Asia according to TradingView. And this doesn't replace your broker, your MT4, MT5, but it will support you to become a better trader. A trading system made by traders for traders. So access is in the link in the chat or go to tmtprogram.com/activates2. So, yun pa lang yung bonus number 1. Okay? So, may mga bonuses pa tayo. Okay? So, I'll just keep going because I know you wanna see more. Kaya naman, I made sure I saved the best for last. Sino dito yung tinatamad mag-journal or mag-manual review ng trades? Type mo nga me. Ayan. Ayaw na mag-journal. Tamad na ako. Ayan. So, yung mga tamad na mag-journal. Or mag-manual review ng trades. Ayun din. Isa pa rin yun. Isa-isahin mo lahat yun. Ayan. Ang dami. You can now connect your broker, your MetaTrader, your funded accounts to Mate Portal and see your trading stats live. Grabe. Meron ka ng instant journal. So, ayan, di ba? Kita mo lahat. Performance, ano ka na-improve, everything is there. All your trading data can be reviewed in one place so you can start making better trading decisions today. So, ito pa. Meron ka ring AI insights acting like your personal advisor. Alam mo ba na meron talagang nag-i-improve yung performance? Meron akong may example tayo dito bago pa lang yung ano nun, yung Mate Portal nun. In 1 to 2 weeks from drawdown na negative 8.5 naging positive 8.5. Okay, ang galing. Congrats. Dati gumagamit pa ng Excel sheets. Iba, mga expensive paid apps pa. Ako rin, nagbabayad pa ako sa mga expensive paid apps. Ngayon, we can use softwares and AI as our leverage. Some of you might still be asking, meron ba talaga ako matatanungan anytime? Paano kung masunugan o magkaroon ng big losses? Those are the exact questions na naging inspiration namin creating the TMT Activate. So, ito yung ginawa namin. We took years of trading experience, mine, mga coaches, lahat, and built it into a system. So instead of figuring things out alone, once na stuck ka, kasi may tanong ka eh, walang sumasagot. Ngayon, may sasagot na sa'yo anytime, 24/7. Ito na, the Mate AI Plus, your 24/7 AI companion. So ask anything. Get clarity fast. So, isang beses nga talaga, may coaching ako nung Wednesday. Isa mga students natin, ayun, ginamit niya yung Mate AI. Tapos, nag-positive siya na I think around 100 CAD, Canadian dollars. Okay? By just putting screenshots sa Mate AI. Ganun siya ka-powerful. So, mga tanong mo, like yung mga basic na tanong mo lang, like yung lot size, ano yung risk, ano yung exposure, lahat yan. Masagot ni Mate AI. In one click, you get your risk managed, lahat. In one click, your problem is solved and you can move forward. Here's the experience of Mate AI users. Ayan. Sobrang enjoy. Yan. Sulit ang pag-avail, sabi. I use the structure you've recommended and I've won 6 times sa backtest. Nag-win streak ako ng 9 dahil ginawa ko yan kahapon. Ay, grabe, no? We won, sabi nakalagay. So, yan yung mga iilan pa lang, ng mga experiences ng Mate AI users natin. So, anong difference ng Mate AI Plus sa ChatGPT? Kasi yung ChatGPT, tinry ko na rin yan dati, syempre, bago natin nirelease itong Mate AI. All-purpose siya. Bibigyan ka niya ng sobrang overwhelming na maraming strategies at pati siya naguguluhan sa sarili niya. No? So, ikaw rin talaga, malilito ka and paiba-iba ka rin and sobrang generic ng mga sagot. So, sa Mate AI, ito talaga isang system. TMT system, yung pinaka nag-work lang talaga. Isang framework and isang way of execution. Okay? Na nagbigay ng millions of dollars sa mga TMT students. So, parang yung ChatGPT, Swiss Army knife, yung Mate AI Plus is yung steak knife, talagang built for forex trading. So, it's not like an army knife na walang specialty. It's not like a Swiss knife na walang specialty. Versatile siya, pero ikaw pa rin na mag-a-adjust. Ikaw pa rin mag-iisip kung paano gagamitin. This is more like a steak knife, built specifically for one thing. Pag ginamit mo sa steak, madali, diretso, walang effort, wala ka na isipin. Student talking to Mate AI while planning Sreto. Please, napaka-detailed naman response mo about my prop firm plan. Nagustuhan ko yun, at least I know what to do next and what to prioritize. Set me now the 2-week readiness plan. Oy, grabe. Diba? Tapos, ano mangyayari? Ganun, diba? Yan, ito na, binigay na. Binigay na lahat. Okay na ako sa explanation mo earlier. I realized na it always depends sa trading plan pa rin in general in psychology. Para kang coach talaga sumasagot. No sugar coating. Congrats. 100% coach na AI talaga. So the question is, gusto mo ba ng generic answers or isang system na ginawa mismo para sa traders? Mate AI Plus is your second bonus when you enroll to TMT Activate. If you can still click the link below, that means the 60-day Activate Challenge is still open. So tmtprogram.com/activates2. Coach, alam ko na yung basic, support resistance, uptrend, downtrend. Pero sa dinami-rami ng market na pwede trade, ano ang pipiliin ko? Eto na, di ba? I get it. 90% of the traders are stuck sa analysis paralysis. But what if I told you once you get inside TMT Activate 60-day challenge, you will receive daily chart analysis? Naniwala ka ba? In Season 1, 65% of A-plus setup trades we sent took profit. Kung sinunod mo lang yun, up ka na. Diba? For sure, in profit ka. That means, if you place all those trades, you gain 65% of your capital. So, that's more than the realistic 10% monthly. TMT Activate 60-day challenge, you will also get daily chart newsletter. Ito everyday. I think yung mga favorite din to ng mga nasa season 1, inaabangan nila araw-araw. A-plus setup trades, carefully evaluated, ito ng TMT coaches natin. And these are the exact markets that I look at every day. You will get it inside the Mate portal every day. Para hindi mo isipin ano ba maganda i-trade for the day, di ba? Bibigyan ka namin ng idea sa potential A-plus setup natin. But warning, hindi to trade signal. Okay? These are daily chart analysis of the top 3 currency pairs for potential trades for the day. And yes, we use the Mate framework to analyze them. After 60 days, our goal is to equip you with the skills and transform you to the kind of trader who doesn't just wait for signals, but someone who can decide on their own. So again, if you want to get access to this daily chart newsletter, click mo lang yung link, tmtprogram.com/activates2. Now, before I move forward, ito pa, may add pa ako. Everything I showed you, the system, the structure, the 60-day execution, is already enough to transform you. Promise. Pero, naisip namin, what if we make this even stronger? What if hindi ka lang matuto? Hindi ka lang mag-execute? But you're placed in an environment na talaga magpupush sa'yo to stay consistent. Because, let's be honest, hindi problema ang pagsisimula. Yung problema, yung pag-tuloy-tuloy. Inside Activate, hindi ka lang basta mag-aaral. You'll be part of the TMT Activation league competition where may mga cash prizes tayo na 100K, 100,000 pesos, 50,000 pesos, and 25,000 pesos cash prizes. Structured competition with your squad. Ayan. Track ang execution mo with rankings and top performers. And for those who step up, you'll get special prizes. So shoutout sa ating mga winners last season. May mga nanalo 100K, 25K, 50K. May mga nanalo din na nasa abroad. Hindi sila naka-attend ng event. So hindi ka lang matututo, mapipilitan kang mag-execute. Diba? Not in a bad way, pero in a way that will keep you from making those bad habits as a trader. A way that brings you closer sa true identity ng isang profitable trader. So secure your slot now while it's still open, tmtprogram.com/activates2. So you might be asking, puro online lang ba lahat ito? Yes, yung 60 days execution challenge is doable online and anywhere around the world. Okay, di ba? Iba-iba tayo kanina eh. Magkakalayo tayo. But there's a time that we can meet face-to-face. Yan, ito na yun. Our meetups last season were so fun and memorable. Kaya naman, we're doing it again this season 2. You are invited sa ating TMT Level Up ticket. Ayan, either in person, kung somewhere malapit ka sa Manila or Quezon City, or virtual naman kung sobrang layo mo. Pero last time, may mga bumiyahe, no, galing ibang bansa para lang pumunta dito sa ating in-person TMT Level Up. Okay, so yan, exclusive experience, quarterly celebration, recognition, and inspiration event for TMT students. So bigger meetups, bigger moments all together. So again, secure slot, click mo na yung link, nasa chat.